Yo, people, what go on? Your boy Irie TV, you see me? And me say, yo, had up my channel. Yeah, man, Irie, you don't know, you see it? Come on, always Irie, you see it? Yeah, man, I see a little news that cycle the internet, them as a Ninja Man dead, but people, Ninja Man is not dead, you see me? And Irie TV say, yo, Ninja Man is not dead, so people no start spread rumors, we get views. You see me? I hardly remember say hungry ninja kill a ninja, you see it? So, Ninja Man not dead. So, people. Ninja Man is not dead, you see me? So I wrong news the people them a spread. Say the ninja dead, so I lie them and tell. You see? So I don't even know why people gonna say that just because they want view. All them shit there. You see it? No stop calling dead for the ninja man. Cause I remember I say it's only a ninja kill a ninja, you see me? And I say ninja man big up yourself. Cause I know say your coach so appeal or whatever them a do. You see me? Why no want to see a ninja dead? Eh? Hello sir! They must spread rumors. Ninja, big up yourself. Z it, one go, say that. AKA Irie Man TV. I'm out.